If you've ever wondered what hidden treasures might be lurking just beneath your feet, a metal detector is your key to unlocking the unknown. Whether you're searching for lost coins, historical artifacts, or even gold, the right metal detector makes all the difference. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. That's why in this video we're breaking down the top 6 best metal detectors. From beginner-friendly models to professional-grade devices, we've got something for everyone. So let's dive in and help you find the best metal detector for your needs. All the links to the mentioned products are in the description below for latest pricing and best deals. Number 5. Garrett Ace Apex. The Garrett Ace Apex is a mid-range metal detector that strikes an impressive balance between affordability and advanced features. Designed for both beginners and experienced detectorists, it offers multi-frequency technology, allowing users to adjust frequencies based on their search needs. Whether you're hunting for coins, relics, or jewelry, this detector provides high performance without a steep learning curve. Its lightweight build, excellent target separation, and intuitive interface make it a fantastic choice for those looking for an upgrade from entry-level models without diving into premium price territory. One of the standout features of the Garrett Ace Apex is its multi-flex technology, which operates on 5 kHz, 10 kHz, 15 kHz, 20 kHz, and multi-frequency mode. This gives users the flexibility to optimize their searches based on ground conditions and target types. At just 2.5 pounds, it remains comfortable for extended detecting sessions, while its large LCD display with backlight makes it easy to read target information in various lighting conditions. The water-resistant coil allows for detecting in wet environments, though it's important to remember that the control box is not fully waterproof. The adjustable iron audio feature is particularly useful, helping users distinguish between valuable finds and unwanted junk. With 8 sensitivity levels, it provides customizable depth and stability, making it adaptable to different terrains. The built-in rechargeable battery lasts up to 15 hours per charge, ensuring long detecting sessions without interruptions. Despite its advantages, the Garrett Ace Apex does have some limitations. While its multi-frequency mode enhances versatility, it may slightly reduce depth detection compared to single-frequency settings. Additionally, its control box is not waterproof, making it less suitable for submerged searches. However, for its price and feature set, it remains a top contender in the mid-range category. Number 4. Noctis Simplex Ultra. The Noctis Simplex Ultra is a powerful entry to mid-level metal detector that offers professional-grade features at an affordable price. Whether you're an amateur looking for an easy-to-use machine or an experienced detectorist searching for a reliable backup, this model delivers solid performance on various terrains. Its fully waterproof design makes it an excellent choice for beach detecting and shallow water searches, and its ergonomic, lightweight build ensures comfortable handling during long detecting sessions. The addition of wireless audio support enhances the overall detecting experience, making it a great value for budget-conscious treasure hunters. One of the standout features of the Simplex Ultra is its full submersibility up to 16 feet, 5 meters, allowing users to hunt in rivers, lakes, and even shallow ocean water. It comes equipped with multiple detection modes including all-metal, field, park, and beach, catering to different environments and search needs. The upgraded depth and sensitivity make it an improvement over its predecessor, offering better target detection and accuracy. For underwater hunters or those with hearing impairments, a built-in vibration mode provides target alerts without relying on sound. The wireless audio compatibility allows for seamless use with Nocta Bluetooth headphones, eliminating the hassle of tangled cords. The backlit LCD screen and illuminated keypad ensure easy operation in low-light conditions, making night detecting more convenient. A rechargeable battery powers the unit for up to 12 hours per charge, ensuring you can hunt all day without frequent recharges. Despite its impressive capabilities, the Noctis Simplex Ultra has some limitations. Coil size options are limited, meaning users may not have as much customization as with other models. Some users report sensitivity to electromagnetic interference, which may require adjustments in certain environments. Additionally, while its recovery speed is decent, it's not as fast as premium models. However, considering its features, waterproofing, and affordability, the Noctis Simplex Ultra remains a top-tier choice for budget-friendly detecting. Number 3. Garrett Ace 300. The Garrett Ace 300 is a beginner-friendly metal detector that offers an excellent combination of affordability, ease of use, and solid performance. Designed for those new to metal detecting, it provides reliable target detection while remaining simple to operate, making it a great entry-level choice. Whether you're searching for coins, relics, or jewelry, the Ace 300 offers a user-friendly experience without overwhelming settings or a steep learning curve. With enhanced iron discrimination, digital target ID, and a large search coil, it delivers decent depth and accuracy, making it one of the best metal detectors in its price range. One of its most useful features is the digital target ID, which provides a numerical value to help determine the type of metal detected. This improves target accuracy, allowing users to differentiate between trash and valuable finds more effectively. The enhanced iron discrimination helps filter out unwanted junk metal, reducing unnecessary digging. Equipped with a 7-inch by 10-inch performance search coil, the ACE 300 enhances detection depth and coverage, making it more efficient when scanning large areas. The detector offers 5 search modes including zero discrimination, jewelry, coins, relics, and custom, giving users the flexibility to tailor their searches to specific target types. With 8 sensitivity levels, users can adjust the depth and stability depending on the environment. Additionally, the included headphones ensure a clearer signal response, and at 2.8 pounds, it remains lightweight and comfortable for extended detecting sessions. While the Garrett ACE 300 is a great beginner-friendly detector, it has a few limitations. The control box is not waterproof, meaning it's not ideal for wet conditions beyond shallow puddles. It also lacks adjustable ground balance, which can be a drawback in highly mineralized soil. Additionally, its performance on saltwater beaches is limited due to interference. However, for those looking for a budget-friendly, reliable detector, the Garrett ACE 300 is an excellent choice. Number 2. Manlab Equinox 800. The Manlab Equinox 800 is a high-performance metal detector designed for serious detectorists who demand versatility, depth, and accuracy. Whether you're hunting for coins, relics, jewelry, or even gold nuggets, this detector delivers exceptional results in any environment. Its fully waterproof design allows for underwater detecting up to 10 feet, 3 meters, making it an excellent choice for beach, river, and lake hunting. The Equinox 800 is equipped with Manlab's multi-IQ technology, which enables simultaneous multi-frequency detection, ensuring superior target identification and depth performance. With customizable settings, fast recovery speed, and wireless audio, it is one of the best metal detectors available today. One of its most valuable features is the multi-IQ technology, which scans multiple frequencies at once, making it highly effective at finding targets in various soil conditions. The detector offers 4 detecting modes: park, field, beach, and gold, making it suitable for a wide range of environments. The adjustable ground balance feature is particularly useful in mineralized soil conditions, allowing for better detection accuracy in tough terrains. Its fast recovery speed ensures that users can quickly distinguish between closely spaced targets, improving efficiency. The dedicated gold mode is fine-tuned for detecting even the smallest gold nuggets, making it a great choice for gold prospecting. Additionally, the wireless Bluetooth and low-latency headphones provide crystal-clear audio signals, enhancing the overall detecting experience. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 12 hours, you can hunt all day without interruptions. While the Manlab Equinox 800 is an exceptional metal detector, it does come at a higher price point, which may not be ideal for beginners. Additionally, the learning curve can be steep due to its advanced settings and features. Lastly, it is not as lightweight as some competitors, which could impact comfort during prolonged detecting sessions. However, for those seeking top-tier performance, the Equinox 800 is one of the best metal detectors on the market. Number 1. Manlab Vanquish 440. The Manlab Vanquish 440 takes the top spot as the best mid-range metal detector, offering exceptional performance at an affordable price. Built with multi-IQ technology, this detector can simultaneously scan multiple frequencies, allowing users to detect a wider range of metals with greater accuracy. Whether you're searching in parks, fields, or beaches, the Vanquish 440 is designed to handle various terrains and conditions. It strikes the perfect balance between ease of use and advanced features, making it an excellent choice for both beginners and intermediate detectorists looking for a reliable, high-performance machine without breaking the bank. One of the standout features of the Vanquish 440 is its multi-IQ technology, which ensures better target separation, improved depth detection, and higher sensitivity. The detector weighs just 2.6 pounds, making it comfortable for all-day use. It comes with 4 search modes: coins, relics, jewelry, and custom, allowing users to fine-tune their searches based on their specific needs. The water-resistant coil makes it suitable for wet grass, shallow water, and damp conditions, though the control box is not fully waterproof. To enhance target accuracy, the Vanquish 440 features automatic noise canceling, which helps reduce interference and improves overall detection clarity. The iron bias control helps filter out unwanted junk, so users can focus on valuable finds without unnecessary digging. Additionally, the detector comes with adjustable sensitivity and depth settings, allowing users to customize their searches for different environments. The included wired headphones improve signal clarity, ensuring that you don't miss faint target signals. Despite its many advantages, the Vanquish 440 has some limitations. The control box is not fully waterproof, so it's not ideal for deep water detecting. Additionally, wireless headphones are not included and manual ground balance options are limited. However, for its price, technology, and ease of use, the Menelab Vanquish 440 remains the best mid-range metal detector available today. There you have it, the top 5 best metal detectors for every skill level. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned hunter, there's a perfect option for you. Happy hunting! Let us know your pick in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.